It's just an ambitious thing. You know what I mean? Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a new bead spinner that I'll be showing you all. So let's get started. I purchased this bead spinner from Amazon for about $22.50. And it does says that it's an electric bead spinner. However, it's actually battery powered. And with this bead spinner, I received 2 bead bowls, 5 big eye beading needles, a case of seed beads, 100 jump rings, 20 clasps, a pair of scissors, elastic thread, and also wiring cord with 2 needle threaders. And with this spinner, we're going to need batteries. Turn it on. Oh, that's super loud. Now we're about to test out this bead spinner so that I can show you all how it works. I have these beads already put together, and so yeah, let's see. And the pros for me for this bead spinner was definitely all of the accessories that come with it, and also the extra bead bowl. I love that. And one of my biggest cons with this bead spinner is the loud noise that it makes. So I definitely turned that volume down low so I wouldn't hurt your ears. And also that it keeps moving. It doesn't stay in one place. And as you can see, I had to retry again because it kept moving and it kind of made me frustrated. But let's get into this bead mix. Oh my goodness, it is so pretty. I had mixed beads that I already have, so these are not the beads that came with the bead spinner, but they're just gorgeous. So I'm going to speed this part of the video up because this process took way longer than it normally would. And I do believe it's because the bead spinner just kept moving. And here's our pretty bead strand that we made. It's so pretty, but it took too long with this bead spinner. Okay, y'all, so I went and bought some new batteries because I did want to give this product another chance. I picked up some Duracell and I was wondering, like, maybe it was just the energizers. So let's try these Duracell batteries out and let's see how this goes. So yeah, I just think this bead spinner is kind of loud. As you can hear, my initial reaction is, yeah, this just a loud bead spinner that's just gonna move. So with recommendations, I would probably give this bead spinner a 2 out of 10. Maybe a 3 because this was the only bead spinner that I received that came with an extra bowl, the beads, the wire, the clasp, and everything else that you needed. However, with durability, is definitely low. It's definitely low. Eventually, I got tired of holding the bead spinner in place, and I was like, yeah, this is a wrap for this one. And here is our necklace that we made. I was going to make a set, but I just could not do the noise from the bead spinner. And thanks for watching. And always remember to stay ambitious. It's just an ambitious thing.